Sales and marketing, once considered in fierce competition for coveted attribution, in reality, they're like two peas in a pod. They're like, we know the analogy. Now we just need a really cool name for it, like Markleys. No, just kidding. Smarketing. That one's fun to say. Smarketing. Seriously though, having these two departments share everything, and I mean everything, is essential for a successful modern day business strategy. But what does that actually mean? How do you smarket? 1. Define common goals. 2. Establish a target audience. 3. Make sure the communication lines are open and flowing. 4. Build the customer journey together. 5. Implement shared technology tools. And 6. Host a joint training session. Delicious, isn't it? Start Smarketing today with Similarweb Digital Data and watch it do wonders for your business. Start Smarketing. Smarketing! I could say it all day.